Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare PDNob channel. Have you ever opened a PDF, tried to delete a fillable form field, like a text box or a checkbox, and realized that you can't? You click on it, but there's no delete option. Form fields in PDFs can be really frustrating, especially when you need to lock down a document and don't want people to edit it anymore. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to remove fillable fields from a PDF without using Adobe Acrobat. We'll cover a free online-style workaround, a built-in Mac option, and a desktop solution for full control, which is the most reliable method I personally recommend. First, let's look at the quickest, no-installation method, the online option. Print to PDF using your browser. This works on any computer. Simply open your fillable PDF in a web browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the print dialog. In the printer destination, select Save as PDF. On Windows, you might choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Then, click Save. This process creates a new flattened PDF where all the interactive form fields are converted into static, non-editable text and images. The pros are great for a quick fix. It's completely free, requires no software installation, and is very fast. However, it's a blunt instrument. It removes all fields at once with no option for selective deletion. The new PDF is not easily editable afterward. You have limited control over output quality, and uploading sensitive documents to a browser, even temporarily, is less secure than an offline method. For precise control and professional results, you need a desktop PDF editor. This is where Tenorshare PDNob shines. Here's the process. Open PDNob and import your fillable PDF. Go to the Form tab, and the software will automatically detect all the interactive fields. Now, you can click on any specific field you want to remove and simply press the Delete key on your keyboard, or right-click and choose Delete. You can remove fields one by one, leaving others intact if needed. When you're finished, click Save to export a clean, non-fillable PDF. The advantages are exactly what you need for important documents. It lets you delete specific form fields instead of flattening everything. It works completely offline, keeping your files private. It keeps the original layout, fonts, and images perfectly intact. It's secure and also supports other PDF tasks like editing, OCR, and converting. The disadvantage is it requires installing software, and the full feature set requires a license. But for control and accuracy, it's the best choice. Finally, for Mac users, there's a built-in option using Preview. Open the PDF in Preview, go to File, then Print. In the bottom left corner of the Print dialog, click the PDF dropdown and choose Save as PDF. This flattens the document, similar to the browser method. It's free and simple, but like the browser method, it offers no control over individual fields and isn't suitable for complex professional PDFs. To wrap up, if you just need to quickly remove all fields from a simple document, Print to PDF in your browser or Preview works. But if you need precision, security, and professional results, especially with important or complex documents, Tenorshare PDNob is the best Adobe free solution. It gives you full control without compromising your layout or privacy. If this tutorial helped you lock down your PDF, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. For a link to PDNob, check the description. Thanks for watching.